We want to determine the function values using the graph provided. The main thing to remember here is that when written in function notation, for example f of negative 5, the negative 5 is the input or the value of x, and the function value or the output would be the corresponding y value. So to evaluate f of negative 5, we'll first locate negative 5 on the x-axis, which is here, and then locate the point on the function when x is equal to negative 5, which would be this point here. And this point would have a y value or a y coordinate of positive 3, which would be our function value. This point has the coordinates negative 5, 3, so f of negative 5 is equal to positive 3. Next we have f of 2, so the input or the x value is 2. Well, here's 2 on the x-axis, so we'll find the point on the graph when x equals 2, which is this point here. And we can see the y-coordinate or the function value would be 1.5 or 1.5. This point has an x-coordinate of 2 and a y-coordinate of 1.5. Therefore, f of 2 is equal to 1.5. The last example, we have f of 1. So x is equal to 1. We want to determine the function value or corresponding y value. So we'll first locate 1 on the x-axis, which is here. Notice at x equals 1, there's a break in the graph. So here we have an open point, and here we have a closed point. And the function is defined where the closed point is here, not where the open point is. So when x is equal to 1, we're actually down here on the function, and the corresponding y value we can see is negative 3. This point has an x-coordinate of 1 and a y-coordinate of negative 3. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to negative 3. I hope this explanation was helpful.